Oh. Right. In today's video, we need a hangover cure. Oh. So we're going to go down to Delight. What do you want?
I brought you a revival, darling.
A revival, darling?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm being nice and you're being
I said no watermelon, though.
It's not watermelon.
What flavour is it?
Tropical berry.
Oh, okay.
Dick.
Oh, right. Claude, you and your bloody watermelon vodka concoction has done this to me.
And blame Claude.
Okay, it's Aris's fault then.
It's definitely Aris's fault.
It's Aris's fault.
Yeah.
We
Not
had
the Godfather, but Aris.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm going to have this revival hangover juice. Not sponsored, by the way, but if you want to.
Yeah, revival. Sort it out, man.
Yeah. I'm going to have this, get dressed, so we're going to go get the hangover breakfast at Delight Kitchen anyway. So if you're new to the channel, then you're probably not going to subscribe because of this video. Let's be honest.
But he's Ross, the miserable one.
I'm not.
And I'm Kate, the one that's up, dressed, ready to go, and not a lazy piece of work.
Well done, well saved.
Thank you.
We're Kross Travel anyway. If you do like the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and follow us on social media. Let's go and get breakfast then. Come on, sort my life out. I mean, you know you were drunk last night. How's one of my trainers ended up there? Like how? I don't know. Right, I'm up. I'm ready for the day. I'm not. I don't even have my revival yet. I'm ready for the day. So I'm going to neck this and we'll see you downstairs at Delight. Like me, an absolute delight, I know. Apparently it was my fault that we're in this state. Apparently it was my idea to go and see Aris and Lawrence, the Godfather at Pandasia.
Dramatic.
I mean, I don't regret it. And I'm not looking forward to editing the cocktail video anymore. It's going to be
Now you've just seen me talking on the way home. I don't blame you.
Oh, God. Right, I'm ready for the day ahead.
Oh, yeah?
No, let's just get out. Let's just get out and feed me. Yeah, I'm so glad we've got very little planned today. We're literally going to the beach and going to a couple of pools maybe. I'm so happy about it.
You know what I'm so happy about?
What?
The fact you don't listen to me and you start filming.
Why? What did you say?
Well, it doesn't matter now, does it?
No, it doesn't.
Wow.
Oh, so here we are. If you're staying in the Macedonia, that's what the locals call it. I'm sticking with Macedonia anyway. But down here, you got Delight Kitchen all day, restaurant bar. Let's get in. Beautiful. Oh, I feel like I look slightly human. I don't know. I'm probably not. No. Right. Okay. I don't. Alright. Thank you. People are having beer already. It's like 10:30. Get it out of my face, man.
Oh dear.
Yeah. I don't even know if I can handle the hangover cure breakfast. I might have to look at downgrading.
Yeah, I feel like you're not gonna.
I'm not gonna, what, downgrade?
No, you're not gonna eat it all.
No.
No way, you're a right little wimp.
You're definitely gonna say little bitch, that one. I don't know, but I'll take a look and just see how I feel. I think what I need is I think I need a fry up and a dip in the pool or a sea. That'll sort me out. Alright. Let's take a look.
Across town, trying to butterflies just thinking about your eyes, and that can't be all bad. Things came up, things went down.
Right, it's here. Huh? Yeah, that's a bit weird. Yeah, I don't know why one's glazed and one isn't. Right, it's here, take a look at it. Let us know what you think in the comments. I just really need to get it down me, to be honest. Oh, it's Claude at Melonbar and Aris and Lawrence at Pandesia. You've got a lot to answer for, really.
Oh my god, blaming other people.
I need to take responsibility for my own actions, don't I? Okay, it's not their fault, it's my fault. Go and see them. 2 great places here in Kalamaki.
Yeah,
but I'm
go
gonna
see them if you want to feel like shit. That's what it sounds like you're saying.
Pretty much. But yeah, we're going to eat this. Let's get it down. Let's get into it. Cheers, mate. Thank you. Give it its marks out of 5 stars outside. Right. And also, I know a couple of people who say putting ketchup on your full English is wrong and disgusting. Yeah. But I think they're wrong, and I think they're disgusting. You know who you are. I'm going to start off, as always, with the sausage here. I mean, the sausage isn't great. It says English sausage, but we'll see. We'll be sure. Yeah, they're not bad. Pretty standard though. They're not bad, they're nothing special, but they're not horrible.
I think it's straight gammon.
I'm gonna die, yeah, I think you're right. I'm gonna straight in for the gammon.
Is it thick? No.
If I can actually cut it without the fear of it's at the smallest table in the world as well.
Oh no, he did tell me to move, and I said no.
No, mate. You move. No, you move.
Yeah, I thought you bothered me.
Yeah.
Stop.
The eggs look good as well, actually, but gammon on a full English. Interesting.
Not gammon.
It is. It's just really good.
Really? Already?
It's just really thin. Black pudding next. That's nice black pudding. I'm not convinced it's cooked all the way through though. But it is nice. Put into the eggs. Eggs are okay. They're not really runny, they're not dead hard either, but there's a bit of juice coming out of them. Juice? Yolk. Eggs are good. Let's get some bacon as well.
Oh, that's nice.
Good bacon, it's proper English bacon as well. That's great. And the beans. Yeah, really good. Right. You know the score, guys. Let's eat this. Finish it all off. Give it marks out 5 stars outside. And hopefully by then I feel like a human. So yeah, see that.
Maybe turn back around. My spider sense screaming that I'm mad. A big storm blew up. A hurricane right in my coffee cup. Carried me far, far away. And that's why I couldn't make it today to a coffee shop date. Some X-rated thoughts of what I'd like to do to you. So I guess I can see how bad it rhymes, playing you for a fool. So I pick up the phone, dial your number on the tone to set things straight. Things come up, things go down, make me turn back around. My spider sense screaming that I'm mad. A big storm blew up, a hurricane right in my coffee cup, carried me far, far away, and that's why I couldn't make it
So, the Delight kitchen. What do you think?
Average.
Average?
Yeah.
Nothing special?
No.
No?
Nothing stands out.
Nothing stands out, but it wasn't horrible. I mean, everything was cooked fine. It just didn't, nothing stands out there. Yeah, I think you're right about that. I mean, I thought it was nice, to be honest. I've had worse breakfasts here.
I don't get though, you have the bigger breakfast, you don't get tomato. You have the little one, you get tomato. Just weird.
Yeah, it is a bit odd. The bigger breakfast seems to have less items on it,
Yeah.
but more of the items
Yeah.
that you do get, which is a bit strange. I thought it was fine. Everything was cooked fine. Yeah, it was just all right. Yeah, it was nice. It was nice. I think it was nicer than the Rose and Crown,
Yeah, definitely.
and I think I gave them 3 stars. So I'm going to give Delight.
I hope I didn't.
I think you did.
Did I?
I'm pretty sure you did. So I'm going to give Delight 3.5 stars.
I'm just going average.
Yeah, bang in the middle. 2.5 out of 5,
Yeah.
which is bang halfway in it. So yeah,
So I did give Rose and Crown 3.5. Then I was
you're rescinding it and giving it.
lying and giving it 2.
Okay. Right, we are now on our way down to Kalamaki Beach as well, so the hangover cure isn't quite complete yet. But yeah, we'll take you down to the beach and we'll dive in the sea. Because my theory on holiday is you need a fry up, you need to jump in the pool or the sea, and then you feel human again.
And the poo!
And the poo! Right, if full English doesn't do it, I feel like this definitely will. Let's get in the sea. Oh, it's not even that cold. Oh, it's nice though. Oh. What?
Oh my god, it's a little bit cold today.
It is colder than the other day, isn't it? Alright. Let's get a bit further. Let's try and keep an eye on our stuff as well. I mean, it's usually safe. You know, people in Greece, like our experience, you could just leave your stuff on the beach and it doesn't get touched.
Because that's what we do.
Well, I know, but we do it all the time here. So, you know, you always keep your eye on your stuff anyway. Don't be like too relaxed about it. But yeah, it's beautiful though. Oh. Even when you're hanging though, this is the life, isn't it? Right, I'm gonna try and get down, get myself covered, wake myself up.
You've got no phone in your pocket, right?
No, my pockets are empty, darling. Don't you worry about that.
It is a bit colder today.
It is colder today. Oh, my nuts!
It is cold, yeah.
Right, I'm gonna get in. I'm just gonna go for it. I don't know if this is a good idea, but fuck it! Oh, it's nice. That's alright, actually. Right, I'm gonna love you and leave you guys. Yeah, if you like the video, hit the like and subscribe button down there. It's entirely free. Follow us across our social medias as well. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye bye.